Science for Kids. Today, we're not going to do any experiments. Instead, we're going to talk about something that's white, cold, and icy. If you guessed right, it's snow. Last week, we had a snowy week, so I absorbed something. If you like snow and want to learn more about snow, this video is for you all. So today, I'm going to tell you what I learned. How does snow form? Why are we having snow? And types of snow. Before we learn about these three things, I have a question for you. Do snowflakes have shapes? If you know the answer, comment down below. I'm going to tell you the right answer in the next video. Snow is a form of tiny ice crystals. Snow is formed when moisture in the atmosphere is freezing due to low temperature. These ice crystals in the clouds combine to form snowflakes. Snow falls to the ground when multiple ice crystals combine and they'll become heavy, so they'll fall to the ground. Why are we having snow? When ground temperature is below freezing point, the snow falls to the ground. And the last one for this video is types of snow. Guess what? We had these 4 types of snow at our house. They are the most common one, snowflakes, and hoarfrost, and then dropple and polycrystal. Number 1, snowflakes. Snowflakes are the most common one. Everybody knows about snowflakes. Snowflakes fall from the clouds one by one. Number 2, hoarfrost. Hoarfrost is a deposition from the ice crystal to the surface. In this stage, the gas goes directly to solid stage. If you want to learn more about deposition, please go and check out my deposition and sublimation video. A hoarfrost covering a tree makes the tree look beautiful. Number 3, grapple. Grapple is super tiny. It's a shape of a capsule. When the grapple is small, it is snow. But when the grapple is big, it comes as hail. Number 4, polycrystal. Polycrystal is just a simple snowflake. It's made out of many individual ice crystals. Science today is technology tomorrow, so learn science in a fun way. And the best way to learn science in a fun way is watching our videos. I hope you learned more about snow. Next week, we're going to learn even more about snow. And make sure to comment down below to see what shape is a snowflake. In the next video, I'm going to tell you the answer. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science for Kids. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll get notified when I upload a video. Thank you, and Nandri.